In this tutorial, we will learn how to install Python 2 on a computer running the Ubuntu operating system. Before we go ahead and try to install Python version 2, first let us check to see if it is already installed. We can check this by typing the command which Python. This command will give you a path to the Python 2 executable binary file if it is present. As you can see here, we do not have this file present in our computer and hence no output is printed on the screen. We can also try to run the Python 2 program by simply typing in the command python. As you can see here, the Ubuntu OS is clearly stating that the command python is not found, but it can be installed using the following commands. The first command, sudo apt install python 3, will install Python version 3 onto our computer, while the second command, sudo apt install python, will install Python version 2, which is what we actually need here. But there is something more interesting at the end of this output, where it says that we already have Python version 3 installed on our computer. This is because the latest releases of Ubuntu these days ships with Python version 3 already pre-installed, and that is what we are seeing here. The last line also says that we can run this version of Python by typing in the command python 3. Now, if you are happy with running Python 3, you can stop right at this point and go ahead with using Python 3. However, if you want to install and use Python 2 particularly, then go ahead and type in the second command, which is sudo apt install python. In order to install Python 2.7 on your computer, this command needs up to 16 MB of hard disk space from your computer, and as a result, it is prompting you to allow or grant permission to make use of 16 MB of your hard disk space for the installation of Python 2.7. Over here, type in S so that the command can continue the installation process. Once this command completes successfully, you should have your Python version 2 installed on your computer. So now that our Python 2 installation is complete, we can check that it has successfully installed by running the command python --version. This command gives us the output Python 2.7, which confirms that our Python version 2.7 is installed and working as expected. We can also check where the executable file for Python 2.7 resides by typing in the command which python, which in this case gives us the output /user/bin/python. This is the binary executable Python file that gets called every time you type in the command python. Now, as a final form of verification, we can simply type in the command python, which will bring us down to the interactive Python 2 shell console, which confirms that Python 2 is working as expected. We can get out of this Python interactive console by typing in the command exit, or simply pressing the key combination Ctrl and D together on your keyboard.